Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Ebony Nicole, back again with another video. So if you are new here, I want to thank you for subscribing. I really appreciate it. You are now a cousin. Welcome, cuz. If you just clicked on this video randomly, I hope that I can gain you as a subscriber. Make sure you hit up that like button and make sure you leave a comment down below after the video. Just tell me something. I don't know why I said comment, but yeah, comment. So first of all, before we get into the title of the video, I want you to check out my shirt. If you didn't check out my last video, not my last video, the part 2 of my birthday, you would have seen this. My cutie, my sister Clark got me, made me this shirt. She's now making shirts. She made me this YouTube shirt for me. So if you are interested in getting your own YouTube shirt, I know I have a lot of smaller YouTubers that watch my channel, or YouTubers in general that watch my channel. If you want your own shirt, or if you have your own business or anything like that and you want, you know, a t-shirt to brand it, go ahead and hit up my girl Clark. Her Instagram, excuse me, her Instagram will be down in the description. So if you've been keeping along, I have been on a hair growth journey with Liquid Biotin. Me and Jakia, that's my girl, we started back, well, she started in May and I started in, well, she started in June. I can't remember when she started, but I think she started in May, and I started in July when I got my first natural cut. So I didn't record any results for October. How did I have my hair last month? I can't remember. I think, oh, I had the wig on last month. So I just didn't feel like taking my braids out until it was time for me to get my hair colored. So I just left it in and I didn't record any results for October. So now we're just going to end it out with the whole end of the 4 months. And now I'm going to give you the results. I do know that in my last video, I measured wrong. So I did the initial length in July, then I did one in August, and I did one in September. September, I messed up and I did front, middle, and back instead of front, side, and back, as you can see. So yeah, that was my fault. I forgot. I don't know, when I started recording, I had totally forgot the where I think I kind of made it known in that video that I was kind of around. I didn't know exactly where I measured, but we're gonna do it right this time. We're gonna do front, side, back. And as you know, if you don't know, this side has been growing in, which is fully in. I had a shaved side and I had an undercut in the back, so those two are kind of like growing in. They've been growing in for like 2-3 years now, but yeah, but basically everything is back to normal. Like both sides, you can't even tell something was shaved or not. So that's that on that. Got the handy dandy tape measure. So we're gonna, and also this is on straight hair, which will give it a more of an accurate number. We're at like 13 and a half, almost at 14. So the front is at 13 and a half. Let me see. Just to double check. Yeah, 13 and a half in the front. So we're gonna log that in. So now for this side, I gotta sneeze. At 11 on this side. And I feel like the back is probably going to be the same because the back and the side had been in sync the whole time. Yep. And it is at 11 as well. So let's count up the total. Okay, so when I first started, my front was at 12. Then it went to 12.5, then it went to 13, then it went to 13.5, which is a grand total of 1.5 inches, which is very good. The side and the back started at 10, then it went to 10.5, then it went to 11 in September, and then it's still at 11. So it's not much growth in the back, but I feel like overall, so that's a total of 1 inch gain. But I feel like overall my hair has gained, I feel like it's gotten longer since the haircut. I'll put in like a I'll put in over here a video or a picture of when I first got my hair trimmed, and it was like here, I feel like, and now like stretching it out, it was even. So I feel like it has grown. My hair has definitely grown. I don't doubt that at all. But I feel like I've gained a lot of thickness too. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna start it back up. I might go back to the hair, skin, and nail gummies, because those were a lot cheaper, and I feel like they lasted longer because you can get 2 of them for like the same price as the liquid biotin. But I mean, the liquid biotin just absorbs faster into your bloodstream, which it gets to the areas that you want to grow faster, like your hair and your nails. That's pretty much it. I do think I've gained a lot of growth from it. It's something that I would do again in the future. As of right now, I don't feel the need to like go out and run out and go get a bottle of biotin right now, but I feel like you need to do that to stay on a regimen. So I might say this now, but then I might continue. I'm going to continue to use it, but I don't know if I'm going to run out and go get a bottle, because I highly suggest that you all join the Liquid Biotin challenge, or even don't even do it as a challenge, just do it as a on your growth journey, especially for people who have big chopped or did any type of snipping or clipping or anything to your hair length, just to see if it actually does work for you, because of course results do vary, but you know, biotin is kind of all the way around. It helps a lot of people. So yeah, I highly approve of it. The link for the liquid biotin that I use will be in the description below, and make sure you hit up my girl Clark for your own little YouTube shirt or business shirt, or just a shirt that you just want to have or whatever. So yes, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.